Good morning, students. Last time we had finished the lesson 16, that was direct and indirect speech, right? So now we shall move on to lesson 17, that is phrases. Phrases are nothing but group of words which make partial sense, right? So let us study defining a phrase. In chapter 1, we have already read a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. That is sentence जो हमने पढ़ा था, sentence किसको बोलते हैं, right? A group of words which makes complete sense, that is called a sentence. तो उसमें हमने phrase भी पढ़ा था, right? So a group of words which does not make a complete sense is called a phrase. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Mrs. Mehra is a woman of great intelligence. The traveller sat down under a tree. To play chess is not easy. Children like flying kites. All the four groups of words given above are sentences, for they make complete sense. The expressions printed in bold letters are all phrases. From the above examples, it should be clear that a phrase is usually part of a sentence. A phrase does not contain a finite verb, but it may contain a non-finite verb, an infinitive, a participle, or a gerund. In sentence 3, to play chess contains an infinitive. In sentence 4, flying kites contains a gerund. We know that in a sentence, a word can act as a noun, a pronoun, an adjective, etc. How does a phrase act, right? Phrases can act as nouns, phrases can act as pronouns, phrases can also act as adjectives or adverbs in a sentence, right? जैसे clauses करते हैं वैसे phrases भी काम करते हैं अलग अलग. जैसे हमने parts of speech किया adjective, फिर adjective, nouns, pronouns, adverbs, right? ये सब हमने single word का सीखा है. But there can also be phrases which are acting like these parts of speech in a sentence. जब लंबे लंबे sentences होते हैं उसमें कुछ group of words इनका काम करते हैं, right? A phrase can act as an adjective, an adverb or a noun, right? वैसे ही clauses भी होते हैं, adjective, adverb of noun. Clauses में एक finite verb होता है और उसका sense निकलता है, that is called a clause. That we'll study further. Let us study phrases first. Underline this definition of phrases first of all, and what is the difference between a phrase and a sentence that you write down. Write down one example, then these things you need not write it. Now adjective phrases, a phrase that acts as an adjective in the sentence is called an adjective phrase, right? जो phrase यानी group of words adjective की तरह काम कर रहा है sentence में, it is called an adjective phrase. Let us take a few examples. We purchased a steel almirah, right? कौन सी almirah? Steel की almirah. So steel is telling you the type of material the almirah is made up of. So it is giving you an additional information about the noun almirah. So it is an adjective. We purchased an almirah made of steel. Now made of steel is a phrase, but it is an adjective phrase because it is telling you something more about the noun almirah, right? In sentence 1, the word steel describes the noun almirah, so it is an adjective. In sentence 2, the word steel has been replaced by the phrase made of steel, but this phrase also describes the noun almirah, right? So it is an adjective phrase. Everybody respects an honorable man, right? Man कैसा है? Honorable. So honorable is an adjective. Everybody respects a man of honor. Of honor becomes a phrase. It's an adjective phrase. Now look at these adjectives and the adjective phrases equivalent to them. कैसे adjective phrases हो सकते हैं words में से, that we shall study. A fearless man, a man without fear. Stone walls, walls made of stone. A cruel man, a man of cruel nature. Indian foods, Indian goods, goods made in India. An experienced teacher, a teacher with experience, right? So that becomes a phrase. जनरली सिंपल कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेस में जब आप चेंज करते हो, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करते हो सेंटेंसेस का, तो उसके अंदर ये फ्रेजेस और उसका नॉलेज बहुत काम आता है, बिकॉज यू टेंड टू change adverbs, adjectives into phrases, because right, into complex sentences. Now let us study. Let us solve the exercise 1. Right, pick out the adjective phrases in these sentences. Okay, now the first sentence is, a young girl with a smiling face greeted me at the door. Young girl कैसी थी? With a smiling face, right? With a smiling face. It is what? An adjective phrase. This is a question of great importance, right? Question कैसा है? Of great importance. So that is an adjective phrase. Then the king wore a crown made of gold. Crown कैसा है? Made of gold. So made of gold is adjective phrase. We flew over a hill covered with snow. Hill कैसा है? Covered with snow. So it's an adjective phrase. A friend in need is a friend indeed. कौन सा friend? What type of friend he is? In need, right? Is a friend indeed. So in need is your adjective phrase here. The news given by you is quite alarming. News कैसी है? Given by you is alarming. So this is an adjective phrase. Then we had to walk along a path full of thorny bushes. We had to walk along a path. Path कैसा है? Full of thorny bushes. So that is an adjective phrase. My father is a man of few words. कैसा man है? Of few words. So of few words is the adjective phrase. Now let us study further. Exercise 2. Replace the underlined adjective phrases by adjectives having nearly the same meaning. Right? Nearly the same meaning है. ऐसे ये group of words को adjective से replace करना है. Make the other changes if necessary. Oral practice भले ही लिखा है पर हम लोग लिखेंगे इसको. Write it in homework. Right? I am narrating the answers. I am solving the exercise, but you have to write it in your notebook because otherwise you won't know what are the answers and how we will solve it. यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है लिखने की. So don't write it in the textbook. Brutus was a man of honor. Of honor के लिए ढूंढना है तो honorable, right? Brutus was an honorable man. कैसा हो जाएगा? An honorable हो जाएगा. Because honorable starts with O. Vowel sound है. So we have to put an before it, right? 15th August is a day to be remembered. 15th August is a memorable day. Cricket is a sport liked by many people in India. Cricket is a popular sport. Popular sport in India, right? Be remembered का हमने memorable किया. Honor का honorable हुआ. Then in winter we wear clothes made of wool. Wool का हो जाएगा woolen. In winter we wear woolen clothes, right? Tenali Raman was a man of great wit. Great wit मतलब witty. Wit मतलब बहुत होशियार, intelligent, right? So Tenali Raman was a witty man, right? Dhoni is a cricketer by profession. Dhoni is a professional cricketer, right? Okay, now moving on to exercise 3. Replace the underlined adjectives by adjective phrases. अब यहाँ पे adjectives आपको दिए हुए हैं, उसकी जगह पे हमें phrase डालना है. तो ये exercise आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो, right? मतलब सिर्फ इसका जो phrase है वो आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो. But write it down in your notebook also, please. Otherwise you won't be able to understand कि exactly कहाँ डालना है और sentence में क्या changes करने हैं, right? So it's very important to write these answers. At least answers लिखो. Question नहीं लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Question आप textbook में देख सकते हो. So please write down all the sentences. I was given a responsible job. I was given a job of great responsibility. Right? Great responsibility. Then next one. The principal raised some important issues. अब important की जगह पे हमें use करना है. What we will use, the principal raised some issues of importance. issues of importance. Gold is very valuable metal, right? Gold is a metal of great value. Of great value. The atmosphere was gloomy. The atmosphere was full of gloom. Full of gloom. The road was muddy. Muddy. The road was full of mud. Full of mud. It is difficult to write a humorous story, right? It is difficult to write a story full of humor. I will just focus on the answer key of this so that you get a better idea कि sentence कैसा लिखना है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ phrase लिख के आपको शायद पता नहीं चलेगा. Answers तो मैंने narrate करे हैं इसके अंदर. But still if you do not understand, I will be focusing it on the answer key. You can pause it and you can write it in your notebooks. Now next one is exercise 4. Add suitable adjective phrases after the underlined words, right? तो अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स आपको जो दिए हैं वो उसकी जगह पे आपको ऐड करना है. सो दिस ऑल्सो आई एम गिविंग इट इन होमवर्क. सो यू कैन ऐड 1 or 2. आई विल सॉल्व फॉर यू. रेस्ट यू कैन डू इट इन द होमवर्क. वी हैव परचेस्ड अ हाउस, राइट? हाउस के लिए आप क्या ऐड कर सकते हो? हाउस विच इज फुल ऑफ कंफर्ट और वेरी एग्जॉटिक हाउस. तो विथ एग्जॉटिक ब्यूटी ऐसा लिख सकते हो आप, राइट? So we have purchased a house full of comforts. Let us put it full of comforts here. My father gave me a book. Book के लिए ऐड करना है full of pictures या book with interesting stories. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. I saw a little girl. Girl के लिए ऐड करना है. तो what you will add? I saw a girl with a gorgeous dress. Yeah, wearing a gorgeous dress, right? Then the guard waved a flag. अब flag के बारे में आपको लिखना है. The guard waved a flag of red color या of blue color. She was wearing a necklace. Necklace कैसा है? Necklace के लिए डालना है. तो necklace made up of diamonds या necklace made up of gold. Then Tagore was a poet. Rabindranath Tagore, right? So Tagore was a poet. Poet कैसे थे? Poet of great imagination या poet of great knowledge. Knowledge भी बोल सकते हो आप उसकी जगह पे, right? So okay, now I'm focusing on it on the answer key of all the 3 exercises. You can just go through the answers 1, 2, 3, 4 turn by turn. I'm focusing it. You can just go through the answers and write them down. I think exercise 1 was very much clear. उसमें कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Exercise 2 पे मैंने focus किया है. 2 and 3 आप देख लो. उसके बाद I'll focus it on the fourth exercise. I'm pausing it for 3 to 5 seconds. So if you want, you can stop the video here and write down all the answers. Now coming to exercise 4 and 5. If you want, just pause the video here, write down all the answers in your notebook so that you do not make any mistakes. Right? So now up to exercise 4 we are done. Let us move on to further exercises. Further lesson. Position of adjective phrases. अब adjective phrases को sentence में कहाँ रखा जाता है? That we shall study, right?